Hello dears, welcome to Beauty for Heart. I'm Niling, also nice to look. Today I'm very excited and very touched to share with you this eye makeup look. This is rather a halo eye smoky makeup look with two of my best YouTube friends over here who are Diana Hoffmann from Denmark and Jacquez from US. They have been very supportive towards me all these years since the first year at YouTube till now. We are all beauty YouTubers reviewing beauty products. Diana Hoffmann from Denmark likes to do unboxing videos and she also likes to review masks. If you like unboxing videos, please go to her channel. And Lisa likes to do makeup looks and reviewing products and get 3D with me. So if you dears like to chit chat or to get to know her better, please go to Jacquez's channel. Anyways, I will link their channel over at the iCard on the screen and also in the description box below. Thank you so much. And if you dears are from Lisa's channel and also Diana's channel, hello, welcome. I love to explore new cruelty-free makeup products from the drugstore, indie brands, Sephora brands, clean beauty brands. So hopefully with my videos, I can help you to select your right products for you and also the right color for you. So as to save you dears the time, money, headache, and effort browsing through tons of products out there on the market. So if you happen to like my video, please consider to subscribe. Thank you so much. And now let's get started. Hello dears, this is the completed look. I wanted to do a cut crease halo eyes, but I forgot about the cut crease. So now I think this is more to the smoky halo eyes. I've already did my makeup except for the eyes, and I especially want to mention this Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer. This was recommended by Jacquez. She watched one of my video where I was mentioning that as age goes by, my under eyes here experience some bumpiness and there's some fine lines over here. So sometimes when I apply some concealers, it doesn't stick well to it and it will show the bumpiness and the fine lines. So this is where Lisa recommended this to me. She is very kind because she saw this product at her US Sephora website and she especially searched the Sephora Singapore website to see whether this product is available for me. So I'm really very touched that she go through such an extra mile for me. Thank you so much, Lisa. And now let's proceed to the eye makeup, which I will mainly use this palette from Juvia's Place. This is the Tribe. I will use this color on the crease. And next, I will be applying this color as the transition. And now we are going to use this color on the both ends of my eyes. And also connect these two ends together. And now I'm going to use my finger to pick up this color to apply in the middle of the eyelid. I want a very deep green as my base, and later on I will top it up with a multi-chrome color. So let me just use my finger to pick up this color first, and later on I will use a brush to apply for the precision. Layering this with a brush. As I mentioned in my previous 5 eye makeup looks video with Makeup Rising Phoenix new palette, the Sedient and Deviant palettes, nowadays I like to use my finger to pick up the shimmer, then apply this with a brush. Using finger to apply shimmers or metallic colors helps to increase the color payoff, whereas for the brush application, it will help to add the precision. Liking the deep green so far, but I wanted to add a fun twist to it. I will be picking up this color from Makeup Rising Phoenix new palette, the Sedient and Deviant palette. This is a multi-chrome. There is a shift of emerald green to blue to violet. And this is one of my most favorite color in this palette. I just did a review of this palette and the 5 eye makeup looks. If you dears like to know more about this palette, this is so far one of my most favorite indie brands formula. Please refer to the video. I will attach it over at the iCard and also in the description box below. So again, I pick up with my finger, then later on apply with brush. So I'm going to apply just right over the deep metallic green I applied just now. Let me see myself in the mirror so that I can see where exactly I'm applying this color to. Immediately I can see the color shift. But because just now I already applied a deep metallic green, so this multi-chrome will seem more green than usual. Oh, I see the blue and the violet over here, and there is glitters. Anyway, this color is what Mr. Kwan mentioned. This is a peacock color. Let me just show you the swatches. See the shift. There is the violet over here. The green. I'm not so sure whether you just can see the blue. This is very reflective and shining. Very smooth. And now it actually seems more like a smoky eyes than halo eyes. I'm going to pick this color up with a brush and apply right over in the middle of the eyelid. For my lower eyelid, let me go back to this Juvia's Place, the Track palette, and use this color again on the lower lash line as the base. And now, followed by applying this favorite color, again the multi-chrome, and top it out over here. Hope you dears like this eye makeup look. And after this video, if you'd like to know more friends and also curious about what kind of green eye makeup look we are doing with Lisa Jacquez and Diana Hoffmann, please hop over to their channel and say hi. You are from my channel. Thank you so much dears. I have started this YouTube channel for 3 years already, since 2017, and I'm very blessed to have Diana Hoffmann and Lisa Jacquez to accompany me throughout this journey. As I mentioned just now about how Lisa recommends this eye primer to me for the under eye, I was really very touched by the extra steps she took. At the same time, Diana Hoffmann is also very caring to me. This year 2020 is a very special year for all of us. I've been saying this sentence for quite a few times already. At the start of the 2020, especially for the first quarter, Singapore is one of the worst hit COVID countries. And Diana quickly messaged me privately and asked how am I and Mr. Kwan and my family. She's showing her concern and hope that my family members will be healthy and also be blessed and safe. And ever since this year, almost every video I've watched from her, she will always ask her audience to take care of themselves, especially during this period, because this year is a tedious year, I would say, and a very challenging year. So I'm very grateful to know these two dears, and I hope that we can still continue our friendship. So if you dears like to know more friends, please hop over to their channel. And now it's your turn to share with me dears what kind of green monochromatic eye makeup look we'll be doing. Please comment in the comment section below, yeah? Thank you so much. And last but not least, here's an inner beauty tip for us to be more beautiful and more wise. Good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they are always there. Good friends are also like wine. The older we are, the better. Thank you dear so much for watching. If you happen to like this video, please consider to subscribe. Thank you so much. And may you dears have a peaceful, blissful and joyful week ahead. See you next time. Bye! And before you go, please check out these two videos over here. Thank you!